Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan, and in today's video I will be talking you about the Zoom bombing or Zoom raiding, which is an unwanted disruptions done by the internet trolls or hackers into your video conference. So for this you need to secure your Zoom app. If you guys are using your Zoom app from your Android phone, then guys you need to see this video till the end. I will give you idea about how to secure your Zoom account in your Android phone. Let's start a new meeting. This kind of issue is significantly seen in the schools, companies, and many other institutions in worldwide. So guys, you need to know these things to secure your Zoom app in your Android phone. Yes, you can see that already connected in my Zoom meeting. Now you can see at the bottom there you can see the more option where you can touch it, and you can see there's a meeting settings. Yes, after going there in the meeting settings, now yes, you'll get all these options. You can see about the waiting room. Okay, let's check by disabling the waiting room. What will happen if you disable the waiting room? If you just make this, then yes, what if you disable the waiting room, the participants, those who have your meeting ID, password or the link, they can directly come into your Zoom meeting ID. See here, already a new participant is already there inside in your Zoom meeting ID, and you guys don't have any idea how he or she is already in your Zoom meeting. So guys, this can create a big problem that a persons or a hackers can easily get into your account. So what you need to do is you need to enable waiting room. Let's check it out what will happen if you enable the waiting room in your Android phones. Let's go to the participant and see what exactly happens after enabling the waiting room. Guys, you can see there now in the participant over there. Yes, you can see there is a participant who is in the waiting room, and you guys, the host, can even remove that person from there if he or she is not the participant of the meetings. So this is how you can secure your Zoom account. But if he is the participant, yes, you can admit. Yes, by enabling the waiting room, yes, nobody will directly come inside your meeting ID. First of all, they will give you a knock, yes, and it's up to you to admit them inside your meeting ID. So this is the one way to secure your Zoom app in your Android phone. Now there are still more settings that you need to do to make your Zoom account secure, like the lock meeting. You can enable the lock meetings when all the participants are already inside the Zoom meeting, so that no any other participant can come in your Zoom meeting. Next is about the share screen. Let's enable the share screen to all the participants and let's see what will happen. Okay, the other participant, they can share the screen during your Zoom meeting, and yes, the participant, they may share anything, or hackers or internet trolls, if they are already inside in your Zoom ID, then yes, they may share a very nonsense thing and yes, disrupt your meeting. Next, let's again disable the share screen options and let's see what will happen exactly there. Yes, when any participant try to share the screen, then yes, this will pop out in the participant side. Host disable the share screen option. Yes, this is how you can secure your Zoom account. Next, you can see just below the rename themselves and unmute themselves. Yes, you need to enable sorry, you need to disable unmute themselves so that they cannot unmute by themselves. And yes, if they want to speak or if they want to unmute in the mic, yes, then the permission, this will ask the permission for the host. So be sure that yes, after doing that, yes, if the host try to unmute his or her mic, then the host is not allowing participant to unmute themselves, will be popped out, and the participant cannot speak in the meeting until and only the host didn't allow the permission. So this is also the very important thing that you need to do. Next one is about the general mute open entry. Yes, whoever the participant, when they come into your meeting, yes, their mic will be muted if you enable the mute open entry. So this is how you can secure it. After securing or after making all this setting also, still if somebody unknown person is already inside in your Zoom meeting, if you notice that, then yes, what you do is you can go to that participant, yes, and click there. Yes, you'll get these all options, and at the bottom you can see there's a remove one. Yes, and when you click in the remove one, do you want to remove these things will be popped out. Yes, and if you do okay, then that participant will be removed from your meeting ID. So in case if unknown participant or unknown internet trolls or hackers are already inside in your meeting ID, then yes, you can remove them in this way. The next way to control the mute option is going into the participant in Android phone and not checking the allow participant to unmute themselves. Yes, this is how you can control the their mic as well. Yes, this is the next way that we already did from the more setting as well. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys have anything to write, just write down in the comment box below. And one more thing guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon by the side to receive the notification for the future videos. Bye bye all, see you all in next video.